and it was like, ooh yeah, slip and slide. Hello everyone, Kayla here. I just finished a wash and go. I feel like it's going to be a good one. And I am here today to try out the Get Hued Color Hair Gel by Gemini Naturals, formerly Pop Curl. She went through to change the name because she wanted to trademark it and all this kind of stuff. So she changed the name, and now it's like the company is Gemini Naturals, and then Get Hued is the name of the color gels. And this particular one that we're gonna try out today is Cranberry. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into this hair that's still wet with gel on it, because I saw that other people who use her gel, they do her non-color gel first and then follow it with the color gel. So since I've already styled my hair with my hair gel that I normally use, because I don't think that this gel is gonna be enough for my hair, now I'm going to come in and use her gel to color. So let's see how well this works. Okay, so I think I have it all in. It's a really rough application because I went in and did large sections of my hair. I'm looking at the roots, but yeah. Also, I did not expect it to intermingle with the water and product already in my hair, and it was like, ooh yeah, slip and slide. So it was like the product seemed to multiply, or like as if there was more product than what I was putting, just because I already have water and gel on my hair already. So it was just, I didn't expect them, I don't know what I expected, but I guess I didn't expect it to mix with the other product of my hair like the way that it did. There is a little bit of coloring on my shoulder, which I know because of where the lights are in my room, you might not be able to see all of these things. But I would say, especially on the left side because the window is over here, you can definitely see that it's pretty much in there. I don't see how people use so much of her product because I barely even like put a dent in this thing. Like I didn't see the level go down at all. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, smooth over using the product that's still on my hands, and just to get a more even application to make sure this is not gonna look crazy because I do have to go to work. And then I'm gonna rinse off the bottle and everything like this. This is definitely something you wanna do in the shower, okay? Okay, so I am back. It has been about 4 hours since you last saw me, since I did my hair. I sat under the hair dryer for about 2 hours or so. Then I came up from under there, let my hair air dry a little bit while I was eating and watching a show with my husband. And then I went in and started to use a handheld blow dryer, my Diva Fuser, to completely get my hair the rest of the way dry. I also re-wet the sliver of hair here and here. Did not add any extra product, did not add any extra color gel or regular gel, and that was also getting dried with the handheld dryer. And the reason being is because this hair here will always tend to break up and look frizzy, and then product will sit on top of it and it'll look like my hair is just dirty or like I have debris on my hair, and the color was sitting there like that. So when I smoothed it through and did it with my dryer, it looks much better. Just because I fixed this part, now the whole head looks much better. So I am so pleased with that. And I will say that you should probably take into consideration that I do have naturally brown hair, probably the darkest of browns, except for the very ends. They are a slightly lighter color than the rest of my hair because it's old color dye that I've been just growing out over the years. The color used to be up here, now it's like this on the ends. And the website does say that the colors work better on brown hair, and I would say yes, totally, because I'm not sure if this would show as much as it does if I had jet black hair. But the one thing that I regret is buying the size. This larger size was kind of an experimental thing by the owner of Gemini Naturals. Her name is Chrono Curls on YouTube and Instagram. She's kind of experimenting with the size because people were asking for a larger size. But I found that, and this might be because I didn't use her gel to style my hair and I use my own hair gel, but I found that I barely put a dent in this stuff, y'all. Like, I use almost nothing, okay? And I feel that in order for me to fully use this product and get it all the way down to product 0 empty bottle, I would need to have red hair for like a month, 2 months maybe even. So that's a lot of wearing the same color, and I feel like this color makes me want to switch it up. This color makes me want to be green one week, purple the next week, blue the week after that. So I'm kind of wishing that I had bought the little small size, like her original size, and had bought that in several different colors, you know? And then she also says like a trio situation, and the trio's even smaller than the jar that she had before, and I think it's kind of intended to have like different colors or whatever, because people do like more than one color on their head. They mix them together, they do like highlights with one and all that. So just kind of getting in that fun and funky use. I feel like this product is too big. This big size is for someone who, like, I really want red hair all day, every day. I want that to be my hair color, but I don't want to actually sit down and dye my hair. So I'm gonna do this instead. You know what I'm saying? That's how I kind of feel about it, you know? So what questions do you have for me? Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. Leave a comment down below, thumbs up the video, share it with your natural friends who like to switch it up, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.